Some mornings are slower than others, especially when I'm healing. I've learned to let the day begin gently. I just make sure I just wake up, take my time, let me gather myself. This morning I'm managing a flare up. The meds or the medication that I'm taking, it helps, but they also make my face a little puffy. It's part of the process, and I'm learning to give myself grace. Okay, so I decided to take a walk. Some mornings I like to, if I'm able to and I feel up to it, I like to get up early and take a walk outside. It's nothing like being outside, feeling nature. And we just decided to take a slow walk at the park. It's something small, but for me, it meant a lot. Movement, even when it's slow, gentle, it helps me feel grounded. When my body is flaring or fatigued, a walk can, loosen up the heaviness that I'm feeling. And the air was cool, the trees were still, and having my husband beside me, we were both walking together. I really enjoyed the walk. We didn't walk too much as we normally do this particular day. Like I said, I'm still healing from a flare up. But that kind of quiet support with my husband walking with me, that is healing too. Movements like this remind me that rest doesn't mean doing nothing. Sometimes rest is just a slow walk at the park, slow, simple, and shared with my husband. Okay, so after a walk, we stopped by the store. I've learned to stock up when I can. It's one of the small ways I try to stay ahead of my symptoms. Living with Crohn's means some days are harder than others, and flare ups don't always come with a warning. So when I have the energy, I make sure our home is filled with the things we all need. So anytime I feel like we're out of something and I have the energy and I have the time to do it, then I like to run by the store and stock up. It gives me a sense of calm, like I have taken care of, the future me. So that kind of quiet preparation brings a peace that feels steady, even when my body isn't. Also, I'm learning to move through my day with more care. I don't like to rush like I used to. I find that it makes it easier, especially if you're dealing with a flare up, to just take your time. These simple moments, just walking through the aisle, choosing what we need, they're reminders to just slow down. My body asks for gentleness, and I'm finally listening. I'm learning that healing sometimes looks like pacing myself, taking my time, and giving myself permission to just not be in a hurry. So breakfast today is simple, nothing fancy. I have to have a gluten-free diet, so I make sure it's gluten-free. Nothing fancy, just something warm and nourishing. I've come to appreciate how much healing lives in these quiet rituals, standing at the stove, feeling the rhythm of the morning, maybe a little music playing in the background. These gentle starts help me feel grounded. They remind me that I don't have to do everything at once. I just have to take care of myself one moment at a time. this is what healing looks like for me now: slow morning, soft light, and finding comfort in the ordinary. I'm learning that presence is powerful, and for today, this is enough. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. If you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. I'm just sharing my healing journey moment by moment.